Hi guys, welcome to my channel made by Yuma. In today's video we are going to see how to make crochet hearts. I'm going to show you how to make the hearts in three different size: small, medium and big size. So yellow color is a big sized one and the sandal one is a medium sized heart. Then the green color one is a small size heart. So these hearts are quite easy to make. Let's see how to make this. For the crochet heart we would need an acrylic yarn and a crochet hook that suits this yarn. Here I am taking 2 mm crochet hook and then yellow color yarn to make the heart. Take the tail end of the yarn and rotate it over your index finger, make a cross mark and then insert the crochet hook, pull the working yarn. Now we get a loop. So in this loop again yarn over and pull through the working yarn. So this forms a knot. This is a removable knot. Let me do it again. So take the tail end of the yarn and bring it around your index finger to form an X, and then insert the crochet hook into the circle and pull through the working yarn. So now we get a loop here, and you can securely hold the circle using your thumb finger while you work on the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. So this forms a magic circle. So this with this magic circle you can create a flower pattern, a heart or any circle pattern you can create using this magic circle. So once the loop is done we have to make 4 chain stitch. So I am at the 4th stitch. Then we have to make triple crochet here. Double triple crochet. So that means you have to yarn over 3 times and then insert the crochet hook into the magic circle, then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then again yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and finally yarn over and pull through for the last loops. So this pattern we get 4 yarn over pull through. This is called as double triple crochet. I'm going to repeat that again. So I did yarn over 3 times and then insert into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through 4 times. So in this way I have got 2 double triple crochet. Next we have to do triple crochet. So that means we have to yarn over twice and then insert into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So we have to repeat this for 2 more times. So in total 3 times we have to repeat the triple crochet. Yarn over 2 times. You have to do the yarn over and then insert into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then we have 3 remaining loops. Now we have to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 more loops, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. So this completes a triple crochet. So next we have to make the double triple crochet. So for that we have to yarn over 3 times and then insert into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So now we can try pulling the end of the magic circle so that the circle shrinks in size. So next we have to make triple crochet, 3 triple crochet here. So for that we yarn over 2 times, insert into the magic circle. We have to do the looping 3 times here. So this completes the first triple crochet, and then second triple crochet, yarn over twice and insert into, pull through the first 2 loops 3 times. So this is the third triple crochet, first loop, second loop and third loop. Then we have to make 2 double triple crochets here. I'm also pulling the thread out, the tail end of the thread, to reduce the size of the magic circle. So for the double triple crochet, I'm yarning over 3 times and then insert into the magic circle, yarn over, pull into the first 2 loops and repeat this for 4 times to get the double triple crochet. So one more double triple crochet we have to do. So for which we have to yarn over and pull through 4 times for a single stitch. So now we have come to the end of this heart pattern. The last step is 4 chain stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then insert into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through and pull through the last loop. So this is a slip stitch here. So now the heart pattern is complete. You can see here we have got a beautiful and cute heart pattern here. So once you are done, just pull the thread a little bit more for about 2 to 3 inches and then trim the end. So now let's see how to weave this thread at the back side of the crochet pattern. So I insert the crochet hook into any of the adjacent loops and then pull through the thread, the tail end of the yarn. So you can do it like about 3 to 4 times so that the tail end will not come out, and then cut off the remaining thread. So more than the pattern itself, this weaving part is little bit tricky, and you have to do it very patiently because the stitches are quite tighter, right? So we have to be careful while doing this. Sometimes while pulling through the loops, you might miss out one or two strands of the yarn, and that might be not correct. So you have to be very careful while weaving it. Instead, you can also using a needle, you can stitch the tail ends. So now let's see how to make the medium sized crochet hearts. So these are right, the pink one, yellow ones and sandal ones, these are medium sized hearts. Let's see how to make it. I'm gonna do it with an orange color thread here. First create a magic circle, and then the process is the same, the beginning step. Yarn over, pull through to form a slip knot, and we have got a magic circle. Then make chain 3. Then we have to make a triple crochet. For that, yarn over twice, insert into the magic circle, and then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through and yarn over, pull through. So you have to make 2 such triple crochet. I'm gonna do that again. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So this forms 2 triple crochet here. Next we have to make 3 double crochet. So this is the first double crochet. For double crochet, you will yarn over just once and insert into the loop, then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So we just need to yarn over once, and then we get 3 loops here. For that, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loop, and then yarn over, pull through the remaining loop. So we have got 3 double crochets done. Now we have to make 1 triple crochet. For that, yarn over twice, insert into the magic circle, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over and complete the remaining 2 loops. Now the next we have to make 3 double crochets here. So this is second double crochet, and then the third double crochet, so we can pull the tail end of the magic circle and shrink the size. Now we have to make 2 triple crochets. See, it is starting to get the heart shape. For the triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert into the magic circle, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loop, then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loop and yarn over and pull through remaining loop. So do this, do another triple crochet here, and then create 3 chains. 1, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Insert into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through that loop as well. This forms a slip stitch here. We can also insert pull the string, the tail end of the magic circle, to make the circle a little bit tighter. See, now it looks more neat. And with the running yarn or the working yarn, you can pull it a little bit for about 2 to 3 inches and cut this off and pull the running yarn. Now we have got 2 tail ends. We can either stitch these ends using a needle, or you can sew it back using the crochet. I'm going to show you how to sew it back with the crochet hook. So once the crochet hook is sewed back, you can just cut off the loose ends, and that's it. See, the heart is done, the heart shape is done. This is a medium sized heart. As you can see, I have other medium sized hearts in different colors. So let's now see how to make a small heart. Now take any other color yarn for that small heart and take the tail end and bring it around your index finger to form a magic circle. Insert the crochet hook and pull through the yarn, the running yarn or the working yarn, and then hold it using your thumb finger. Then yarn over, pull through the loop to form the slip knot. So now make 2 chains, chain 1 and chain 2. Then make a double crochet. You have to make 2 double crochets here. and make the second double crochet, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over the remaining loops. Next we have to make 3 single crochet into the magic ring. For that, insert into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, and then the second single crochet, then the third single crochet. So we have done 3 single crochet. Next we have to do 1 double crochet. So we can just pull the magic ring to shrink the size of the magic circle. Now we have to make 3 single crochet here. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 single crochet is done. Then we have to make 2 double crochets here, the same pattern as on the other side. So 2 double crochet, so we have done 2 double crochets here. Next is we have to make 2 chain 1, chain 2, and then insert into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through to form a slip knot. So this completes the small heart pattern. We can pull the working yarn a little bit to about 2 to 3 inches and cut off the thread. Using the crochet, sew the loose ends at the back side of the heart. So with this heart you can make different things like a keychain, or this can be a very good ornament on kids dress, or you can create a earring pattern with this heart. I hope you like this video which shows 3 different sizes for the heart pattern. Do give it a try, and I request you to share your valuable feedback in the comment section. I hope you like this video. Please share this video with your friends and family if you really like this pattern. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in next video.